In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get better AI responses from GitHub Copilot in seconds. Start by opening GitHub Copilot in your browser and heading to the chat experience. Make sure you're signed in to your GitHub account so your settings and subscription options are available. On the chat home, choose New Chat to start a fresh conversation. This keeps your prompt clean and focused, which already helps Copilot return more accurate answers. Inside the chat panel, look for the Spark option. Click it to try Copilot's enhanced conversational mode, designed to deliver faster, higher quality responses. If you see a message explaining that Spark is available only for Copilot Pro Plus and Enterprise, that's expected. Click that notice to continue, then select the Upgrade Now option shown in the banner to proceed. On the upgrade page, choose Access Spark with Copilot Pro Plus. This takes you to the plan details. Open the What's Included section and quickly review the features so you understand the value you're getting. When you're ready, open the Billing Frequency menu to pick how you want to pay. Select Pay Monthly if you prefer flexibility and want to evaluate Spark without a long commitment. Prices and currencies can vary by region, so take a second to confirm what you see matches your location. Continue by choosing Upgrade Now to move into checkout. In the checkout flow, open the Billing Information section. You'll see a few required fields. Click into each highlighted field to enter your legal billing details, your billing address, and your preferred payment method. Keep the information accurate and consistent with your bank or card issuer to avoid verification issues. If there's a tax or VAT field, fill it in as applicable to your location. Double-check each entry to prevent declines or delays. When everything looks correct, select Save Billing Information. The page will validate your details and finish the upgrade. Once your payment processes, your Copilot account is enabled for Spark. Now return to GitHub Copilot Chat and start a new chat again. Choose Spark and you're all set. For better results right away, keep your prompts specific, include any relevant code snippets or error messages, and say exactly what format you want back, like a step-by-step explanation, annotated code, or a quick summary. If the first answer isn't perfect, ask Spark to refine or expand. It remembers context within the current chat. That's it. With Spark activated, you'll get faster, more actionable responses from GitHub Copilot in just a few clicks.